Hello, my name is Matthew Perez, and this is my Week 3 multimedia discussion for MPA 540, which is titled A Common Compensation Characteristic. In this presentation, I'll be discussing a common compensation characteristic, which is compensation causes discontent as people compare themselves with others. And I'll apply a public sector example to this characteristic, and I'll also apply it to the equity and expectancy theory. Now let's begin by providing a public sector example of the compensation characteristic. I was recently on the Riverside County Human Resources job description webpage where I noticed the senior accounting assistant position's beginning and ending salary is higher than the position of accounting technician 1. And what's interesting was the job description for the accounting technician 1 clearly outlines the differences between itself and the senior accounting assistant position, and that they are given more responsibilities and are of more of a lead role within the accounting organization. So this can provide discontent to people that are accounting technician 1 positions, since they'll compare themselves to their colleagues who are senior accounting assistant positions, and that they'll feel that it's unfair that they're given more responsibility and making less money. And on the flip side of that, senior accounting assistant positions will also feel discontent as they compare themselves to people who are accounting technician 1 positions, since they'll notice that they're going to be given more of the critical assignments that are helpful to put on resumes when they're applying for future positions. Now let's apply this example to the equity and expectancy theory. Let's begin with equity theory, which is how people perceive fairness based on their contribution and rewards. So if we look at people who are accounting technician 1s, they may feel that it's unfair that they're given harder assignments and less pay than their fellow colleagues. And if we look at it from the senior accounting assistant positions, they may seem that it's unfair that they're not given harder assignments that are needed to apply to future jobs. And if we look at this from the perspective of the expectancy theory, which is how people react based on their perception of the success and rewards of the outcome, we can see that accounting technician 1s may choose not to work as hard and be as dedicated as before, since they're getting paid less and were given harder assignments. And in regards to senior accounting assistant positions, they may feel that it's not appropriate to apply on the next promotion, since they're going to be given more work and less pay if they apply for the accounting technician 1 position. So thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you all have a great week. And here's my list of references.